Chewy, Crunchy, Chewy. Wait, no, this is Chewy.
Yeah.
I'm Crunchy. We'll make it our video. Actually, I have YouTube account.
And we're on a different iPod. We're on his.
Yeah, my iPod. I finally got one.
Finally.
Yeah, and I already broke it. Yay! Word of warning: never hit your iPod with a hose. Okay? Okay, Chewy. Here, let's see if you guys can hear this.
Shush.
Okay, there it was. Alright, so
It's called what? Young
Long
Dog
Long Free by Winston Hilsa and whatever that other guy is. Snoop Dogg. Don't forget him. Alright, see ya. We're gonna post the rest of the music. Goodbye!